The essence of this meeting is for us to have an opportunity to make sure that AGII represent Africa's priorities, and we have packaged them well so that they become investment opportunities. And therefore, it is necessary for us to build a collabo, if I may use that word, a collaboration.
I think for us at Equity Bank, we feel the initiative today of getting the African development and commercial banks together as bold but very necessary, because what it means is that the African entrepreneurs will be supported domestically and locally with local currency to play a significant role. So the foundation of African green industrialization can be homegrown, home-led, and wealth created to be retained.
Industrialization stands as a key strategy for achieving sustainable economic transformation in Africa. It offers a direct pathway to generating significant formal employment opportunities, enhancing productivity, and fostering inclusive and resilient growth. This focus on industrialization is a central element of Agenda 2063, which outlines the continent's vision for development and prosperity.
We believe that the continent's financial architecture, represented here, should collectively scale up its catalyzing of green industrialization in Africa in several ways. One, adopting holistic approaches for industry cluster development with project finance covering the entire value chains. For example, green hydrogen hubs producing fertilizer and steel, mineral processing zones powered by renewables, eco-industrial parks using circular input and low-carbon logistics, etc.
Unlocking Africa's potential demands deliberate and coordinated action by African governments, financial institutions represented here today, and the private sector.